In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about alternate interior angles. When a transversal, such as line T right here, intersects two parallel lines, such as this line here and this line here, we know these two lines are parallel because of these red indicators. So when the transversal intersects two parallel lines, alternate interior angles are formed. They are on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the parallel lines. And also, they are congruent. So in a previous tutorial, I already explained what's the difference between interior versus exterior angles. So I hope you're able to at least be able to identify which of the 8 angles are interior angles. You just have to figure out now which ones are alternate. Now, based on the definition, it says they are on opposite sides of the transversal. So take a look at this diagram and see if you can identify the alternate interior angles before I reveal them. Here's the answer. Angles 2 and 3, those are alternate interior angles. Notice how angles 2 and 3 are on opposite sides of transversal T. And also angles 6 and 7 are also on opposite sides of the transversal. And therefore, angles 3, 6, 7, and 2, they are interior angles. Let's take a look at an example. Here's a diagram of two parallel lines, M and P, and I have transversal line S. The only thing I know is that angle 1 is 52 degrees, and I need to find out how many degrees is angle 6. So what is the relationship between angles 1 and 6? What did we just finish discussing? I hope you were thinking that they are alternate interior angles, and you just learned that they are congruent, and congruent means the same. So therefore, angle 6 will also be 52 degrees as well.